Is your kitchen feeling a bit outdated? Do your cabinets make you cringe every time you walk into the room? The thought of spending a lot of money and being without a kitchen for weeks might make you hesitant to start a renovation. But what if I told you there's an easier and more cost-effective solution? Introducing kitchen cabinet refacing. My name's Chris Thrush, and I've been a field supervisor in our kitchen division at JSB Home Solutions. We have been remodeling Central Ohio kitchen for 45 years. We know that time and money are the most influential factors in planning a kitchen remodel. That's why we started the Refacing kitchen cabinets, to save homeowners time and money without losing the quality and transformation of a kitchen remodel. Regardless of which company you hire to complete your kitchen remodel, you'll understand what cabinet refacing is and if it's the right choice for your project. If you find this helpful, hit the like and subscribe to our channel for more home remodeling information. First things first, let's get familiar with the parts of a kitchen cabinet. The main components are the cabinet box, shelf, face frame, toe kick, door, hinge, drawer front, drawer box, and drawer glides. Lower cabinets set on the floor and support the countertop, while the upper cabinets hang on the wall. Now that we've got the basics down, let's explore what kitchen cabinet refacing actually is. In cabinet refacing, the face of the cabinet, the face frame, the drawer fronts, and the doors gets updated with new material. The cabinet box and shelves remain the same, but the visible parts are transformed. This involves removing the old doors and the drawer system and replacing them with new ones in your chosen style. The end result, your cabinets will look brand new. You can also reface the cabinets you currently have and add new ones with the same project. Maybe you have an empty wall and would love to line it with cabinets for additional storage. If your room allows, you could add an island or peninsula to your kitchen while still refacing the cabinets you already have. Now you might be wondering about the timeline. At JSB, kitchen cabinet refacing can be completed in as little as 3 days. Here's how the process works. First, if you're getting new countertops, they're installed on the existing cabinet boxes. Next, the old cabinet doors, drawer fronts, drawer boxes, and drawer glides are removed. Then we cover the existing cabinet boxes with a 1/4-inch hardwood. Finally, we install the new doors, drawer fronts, drawer boxes, and drawer glides. And just like that, your kitchen refacing project is complete. Quick timelines are great, but what about the cost? Refacing your kitchen cabinets is typically less expensive than replacing them, but the savings might not be as high as you think. You can generally save between 5 to 15% by choosing refacing over replacing. The exact cost will depend on the materials you choose. Higher quality materials like the 1/4-inch hardwood we use at JSB will last longer but cost more than thinner laminate options. So, is kitchen cabinet refacing right for your project? If your cabinets are structurally sound and you like the layout, then refacing might give you the quick refresh you've been looking for. If your cabinets are no longer sturdy or you want to make changes to the placement of certain cabinets, you may need a full cabinet replacement. Check out our video comparing cabinet refacing with the cabinet replacement to help you decide which will best fit your needs. If you have more questions or want to talk to us about a kitchen remodel, give us a call or visit our website to schedule an in-home consultation with a JSB design consultant. There are ways to transform your kitchen without breaking the bank or your schedule. Kitchen cabinet refacing might just be the solution you've been looking for.